Welcome back to your favorite bearded of the channels today, everybody. It's November 11th, I believe. November 11th, right? November 10th? November 10th, because tomorrow's the 11th. Evening of November 10th. So, out here on family property in the shooting shack. This morning was extremely eventful and beautiful out because we got a skiff to snow this morning. It was like 28, 29 degrees this morning, and we had a covering of snow. It didn't amount to a ton, and it's melted, but it's starting to come down again. So I saw two definite shooters, one of which I got good video of, and another one that I tried to get video of, but I was more worried about getting a shot opportunity. So I did take a couple pictures, which you guys are seeing right now. But he was kind of goofy. It was like a big 7-point that just grew funny, like looped. But saw 5 other bucks, all of which were legal, and one was pretty decent. But they're gonna be better next year, so let them go. Saw 25 does, and I think I saw the neighbor about a 2-mile stretch away shoot one. I had the binos up, and I could see one deer take off, and the rest were all like, "What's happening?" So I don't know if he got one or not, or they. I don't know who it was, but pretty neat stuff to see that far. But it's only 1:30 right now. Try to get in here before this snow kicked up. The wind is still facing where that buck came from, but where he went, he will not have the wind in his favor. So if he comes from that way, he might be in trouble if he comes to me. But however, I'm gonna leave windows shut because I think that most of the deer try to circle around and get the windage from there for whatever reason, even though like this is the second time somebody sat in here this year. So the flies have woken up. Hopefully the deer start moving again. I can see a bunch over in the neighbor's field that I don't think they've moved. They almost look like pets. But they've been there all morning. So gonna settle in, gonna get my bow ready, get my camera gear ready, and hopefully get some to show up. Pan around and first doe of the night. I literally just took this camera off to do a swing around, and there's a doe standing out there. to 10 yards. Oh my God. I don't know how I got that window open. I just took my time. He's down. That's that funky one from this morning's down. Oh, it's been such a hard season. Oh. Oh. Every single big buck has ran by me. It's so close. Oh, this is gonna be a good phone call.
Hello?
I just shot the funky one.
You just got one?
Yeah, I just shot that funky one. He's laying there dead.
It's my dad. Wait, was it the good one?
It was the big one that like walked by this morning.
Oh my God, good for you.
Not the giant one, but the one that was really weird looking. Your dad told me to take care of him, and he walked in. I had all the windows shut, and he came out right next to the blind, and I had to open the one, and it took me like 2 minutes to get the window open.
Did you call my dad?
No, not yet. I'm sitting here shaking. I just watched him fall and took a little video. So.
Good for you, my dear.
Yeah.
Send me a picture.
I will. I'm gonna go down and take some video of him before I call your dad.
All right, well, send me a picture when you get up there. I'm excited to see it, and maybe you can get it to me before Mama gets up in the back.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk down here now. He's stone cold dead, so I'm gonna walk down and go look at him here.
Good for you. I'm happy for you. That's wonderful. Although I told you.
3 o'clock, 3:20, 3:25.
Perfect.
Amazing.
I'm thrilled to bits for you.
Yeah.
All right, send me some pictures. I love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, I'm ecstatic. Alright, go down here to grab my arrow, sticking in the ground. If I can find it. There he is. As it lays, Luminox on, clean pass through. An AP Killzone, I think. My favorite broadhead. So my arrow's laying here. Come over here, and there is blood everywhere. I mean, he painted it the whole way down through. I'm not going to show a ton of it, but it's a straight line straight to him. That's incredible. Let's go look at him. All right, guys, let's walk up on him together. Oh my God. He painted. Oh, I hard shot him. Oh. Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah. That is the weirdest 8-point I think I've ever shot in my life. This is definitely the one I saw this morning, chasing a couple does, but happy with him. Thank you, buddy. All right, guys, here he is. Just a really weird, cool buck. Thought that this side was a little bigger, but that's okay. He's a beaut. I love the weird ones. He's a good one. Saw this one this morning bumping some does. I saw a way bigger one this morning too, but I'm not super picky, and this one gave me a 15-yard shot. Well, actually, he came out at 10 yards, and I happened to catch him out the window, and I didn't have any B-roll going with my little action camera, and I struggled. I wanted to keep the windows closed because the wind was real bad for where I thought they'd come from. Good thing I did, because he came right where the wind would have been bad. So, but I somehow got that window squeaked open. He jumped a couple times. I don't know if I even have that on film either, but he ended up So 17 yards later, heart shot and about a 50-yard dead run. So I couldn't be happier. Thank you guys for sticking along with me this season and watching all my videos. I really appreciate it. Here's the rifle season, does, filming other people. Thank you for watching your favorite bearded chin. Thank you, buddy.